Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix laptop keyboard typing wrong characters. Let's dive in. The first step is to check keyboard layout. Ensure the correct keyboard layout is selected. Go to Settings, open Time and Language, open Language. Click your language, then select Options. Ensure the correct layout is listed under Keyboards and remove unnecessary layouts. Step 2. Disable numlock. If keys are typing numbers or symbols, press the numlock key to turn it off. Step 3. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't help, choose Uninstall Device, then restart your laptop to reinstall the driver. Step 4. Run Keyboard Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, open Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and then go for Additional Troubleshooters. Select Keyboard and click Run the Troubleshooter. Step 5. Clean the keyboard. Dust or debris might cause keys to stick. Use compressed air to clean between the keys and check for any physical damage. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.